Welcome to DIY Tech. Cox router blinking orange. Fixes, orange light on Cox modem. Step 1, check the Cox outage map. Cox has its very own map that lets you know if there is any internet outage or maintenance in your area that is preventing you from accessing the internet. Step 2, perform a power cycle. If a random bug or glitch is causing the Cox router or modem blinking orange light issue, you need to power cycle the device. This is different from a regular restart as it requires you to keep the device turned off for a few minutes. Step 3, examine the cables. Ensure the cable linking the modem or router to the power outlet is intact and correctly inserted. Thoroughly inspect both ends of the cable for any twists or cuts. If there are any, replace the cable. Step 4, install the latest updates. Firmware updates bring new features, improve the device's performance, and eliminate issues that people may be facing. If your Cox modem is blinking orange, it may be due to outdated software. So, visit the official website of Cox and download the latest firmware update form there. Step 5, check if wired connections are working. Plug your device directly into the router or modem using an Ethernet cable. If the internet works fine this way but not wirelessly, there might be an issue with the wireless function. Step 6, use a different Cox outlet. Your device connects through a Cox outlet on the wall, and the blinking orange light on the Cox modem or router might indicate a loose or faulty connection. To verify, remove the wall plate where the Cox connects and inspect it. Secure the connection properly, reconnect the device, and check if the orange light disappears. Step 7, check for overheating and overloading. Place your hand on the top of the Cox modem or router and check if it's overheating. If it is, move it to a different spot. Also, keep it turned off for around 30 minutes to let it cool down. Step 8, perform a hard reset. Locate a pinhole at the back of the device. Insert a small pin into the pinhole to press the reset button. Hold the button for approximately 15 seconds. Once completed, the device will reset, and the blinking orange light on the Cox modem or router should no longer be present. Thanks for watching.